Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the GE Universal TV remote not working. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so I've got a step-by-step guide in how to do this. So fix number one is check the batteries. So replace old batteries with fresh ones, even if the light still blinks. And also make sure they're installed with the correct polarity. Then from there, step two, test the remote signal. So point the remote at your phone's camera, press a button and check if you see a flashing light through the camera. If there's no flash, the remote might be faulty or completely dead. If it flashes, the remote is sending a signal. Alright, fix number three is reprogramming the remote. So sometimes the remote just loses its programming or didn't pair correctly. So there's a couple of ways how to do this. We've got a manual code entry or an auto code search. So the manual code entry. So from here we need to turn on your TV, press and hold the setup button until the red light stays on. Press the device button, for example TV, enter the 4-digit code from the GE remote code list. The red light should turn off. Test the buttons to see if it works. And now the auto code search goes like this. So turn on the TV, hold setup until the red light stays on, press the device button, press and release the power button every 5 seconds until the device turns off. Once it turns off, press enter or OK to lock the code. Number five, clean the remote. Gently clean around the buttons, especially power and setup, with a cotton swab, and a little rubbing alcohol. Sticky buttons can cause unresponsiveness. 6, test on another device. So try programming the remote to a different TV or DVD player to confirm whether the issue is with the remote or the original device. Also, step 7 here, check for physical damage. So look for cracked solder joints or corrosion under the battery contacts. If it was dropped or got wet, it may need internal repair or replacement.